Good morning, traders. Welcome back once again to our channel. Today is 2nd of Feb, post budget day. Yesterday's budget day was completely uneventful. It was like going all over the places. We have a very volatile day because of the premiums were very high, and probably today there will be a little volatility because they have to decay the premium within 2 working days, meaning the 2 trading days. So you can just see overall, I'm just going to show you a picture here. This is a bank nifty spot chart. You can see there is a channel which is getting developed, which looks like a rising wedge. Now we are in the middle of the wedge here. So there is a short time trend line break here, because you can see this drop below this trend line is just because of the volatility of the market yesterday, because the market wanted to decay the entire premium which was running around. So probably just thinking today, again a little volatility, and you can see the upper limit is somewhere close to this level. um, I don't know, whether it's going to touch this level or down. So today's basic plan is, since it's a gap up open and then there is an important resistance level, I would see if the market is sustaining above this level in the first 15 minutes, and if there is a pullback down, I would be interested to buy. Or if in the first 15 minutes, if this level is the break of this level is not sustaining, then the market is going to head down to this level. So let's see how the market is working. The US markets and European markets being positive for the past 2 days, and Asian market, most of the Asian markets are closed because of Chinese New Year. Not much of information we could gather. According to the data which is presenting here, this is an important resistance, and 38,800 the levels are getting crossed here. Let's see if you are able to catch up the momentum on the upside, in case if there is a sustaining, or in case if it's going to break down, we will be immediately shorting the market without any further thinking, because it shows a clear rejection of the price at the higher levels. So we'll keep you updated, guys, and hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And we'll see, if there is any good setup being formed, I'll keep you posted. Right now, I'm going to pause the video. Traders, we have already taken a position. Let's see how it is working. Currently about 5,000 rupees profit. I'm gonna put my stop loss at my buying price now. Stop limit 364 is my buying price. 365 will be my trigger price. You can see a good momentum there. Let's see how it is working. Currently in 10,000 rupees profit. So we'll be trying to book the profit. Market price, yeah. Place the order. See how it is. Yeah, we made 11,200 profit in the morning. So just a 10 lot order traders. See, we've closed the position. The simple reason, see, I couldn't show the graph, meaning the chart at the time because I'm just looking at the other chart I'm trading, and we had like 39,100. There will be a resistance level which I was thinking. So we just exited the trade there. Good that we take the morning trades and we exit exactly at a good reasonably better price. See, we entered the trade at 364, we exited at 409, close to 409. Good trade, happy for the morning trades. Let's see how it is going. If there is any more trades coming up, we'll definitely update you traders. This is generally the morning trades we generally take. I used to tell you, like, see, this is basically like, we've been trained in this morning trades because it's very difficult to take morning trades because it's highly volatile. We need to know exactly what market is planning to do. It's just an instinctive trade. We have our levels, like, morning levels, which I told you. In case if market is breaking the today's low and coming below, we'll be, taking for the put positions. If market is sustaining above the levels in the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then we'll be looking for the upside move. So that's a simple reason why we went ahead and we took the trade. We were just waiting for one pullback. After this pullback, we took a trade here and we exited here. It's a quick up move. We just wanted to make use of this quick momentum on the options as well. So hope you guys like the morning trade. We'll keep you posted if there is any good trade coming up. Welcome back, traders. You can just see the market is still, this is our entry point we had exactly in this level. If this particular level, if I could just mark and show you the reason for our entry. This is our entry here. So, remove this. Okay. This is on the entry, and this is our exactly the take profit level. Profit. There's a logical reason behind it because you have important resistance, and you can see exactly from this level the market started pulling down. So this is the reason why we exited this trade, and the reason why we entered into this trade is like, I was expecting a pullback from this particular level itself, but market didn't give that entry for me at this level. So I don't want to take an entry unless and otherwise I have a pullback and recheck on the same level. So that's when I enter into the morning trades. So, and then you can exactly see from this level the market started pulling down. So that's a logical exit. That's the reason we exited at this particular level. And you can see the loss in momentum in this. See, even if in this kind of scenario, what generally market does is market will pull down once. Market will try to pull down once and take all the stop losses here, or it will try to shake off the weak people in the market, and then it might move upside. If you look into this is a 1 minute chart I'm showing. This I'm looking into a 5 minute chart. You can see, like, there's a pullback, and the pullback is not good enough to take make a higher high portion into this. Now there are two things which is happening, because your morning first part of the 5 minute, it moved with a very high volume candle, and it didn't give enough entries for people, or people were waiting. And then see, this candle itself is 200-point candle. 200-point candle is like half a percentage move is already done, traders. So now you just have to wait, that's all. See, as I said, like, see, you can see there is it came here, took the weak people out, and even if it wants to move, then only it will start moving. If you think that market is okay, this is a short-term trend line, it's breaking, and if you're going to enter into a trade, you'll be into trouble. In the sense, like, you're not very sure like how the market is, because you've got an important key level resistance here. You've got sorry, support here. You've got a support here as well. So these are the two major supports into the market. If you think this is a short-term break and you're going to enter into it, you'll be into trouble. So this is just a shake of what the market always does. And now, if in this shake off, I will go to a 3 minutes so I can give you a better example. Yeah. See, this is the moment. There's another 22 seconds to finish off this candle. Just wait for this candle. We'll be expecting one more candle like this, and then it will try to push the people down, make the people enter into the downside because there's a trend line break, and then it might break the high of that particular candle, and it can go all the way and retest the top level. The market, if it wants to come down, it has to test this top one time at least. So most of the traders, like the experienced traders, they try to take an entry here and then try to exit here, because they know this level is always on the cards for the for the chart here. We can just wait. Like, see, it's just an understanding what we had over the period of time. I just told you this is what it's going to happen. It's going to again pull down once. It will again pull down once and form one more doji candle, and then it will form a high of this. When the high of this candle has been broken the next time. So this is making the people enter onto the wrong side now. So you cannot enter for the downside as well. Now, if you've taken a trade here, now the only hope for you is to hold for the for your target now. Some people would have entered here, some people would have entered here, some people would have entered here. For all those people now, it's a time, they are in a hope. Either they should have exited, or they should have, they should be waiting in a hope. Now let's see how this is performing. I'm expecting this candle to again get a rejection from the same level. If this low has been taken up, then you have another chance of getting a support from this level. But if this level is broken up decisively, then there is a chance that market is going down. But this lower low formation, you can't take it immediately, because after making a lower low, the continuation pattern is missing here. You can feel that the pattern is missing. If it is actually pushing down, it won't take much time. If market wants to come down, it will not make you enter, traders. It will not give you an entry at all. See, you are finding a rejection from the same level. This is what I was talking about, and then it'll form, and then when this high is being taken up, then you can see it will go to the top of this level. Let's see how it is it's working. See, it's about all our experience, that what we closely watch the market, how the market moves, and in the morning time, how the market moves in the mid section of the trade, how the market moves in the later part of the trading day. And market has a different phase. We cannot adapt to the same principle. There were some days when your 5-minute breakout strategy was working out very good, and after some time you can see the 5-minute strategy will never break out, meaning it never work. And there were sometimes 15-minute breakout strategy people follow and they make good money, and sometimes it doesn't work. It's just which area you are in, which is the area that you are in, which part of the cycle you are in. That's more important, because market presents itself in a different phase. Now you have a phase that FIIs are constantly selling and DIs are constantly buying. This is the phase we are in right now. So there will be some phase when everything gets changed, when DIs start selling or making profits, booking their profits, and then FIIs are again started buying. So you can see if FII starts buying, then you can see some of the counters in Bank Nifty would make a high pattern in a very fast way, in the sense they have a large holdings in HDFC. Now you can see the traders. See, this is what I was saying. See, once the top has been taken up, now this level is always there. Exactly, this is what I said to you. Hope you guys understand this logic. It is about how well we understand in this market. This was inviting the people for the downside, and again there's a small follow-up candle. I said there will be an again rejection from the same level when the stop has been broken out, and this is going to happen, and this is exactly is happening right now. See, it's not that we are like, in the sense, like, I'm able to predict it correct. It's not that, I've seen this kind of market time and again, each and every day, in my right of my mind, in the right side of my mind, or in the sense, like, when my day is really good, I able to do it in the right way. But when we have a bad day, then, that's when the psychology comes into play. If you have a bad day, it's better you move out of the trade, you close the terminal. I said, see, this is the target now. Yeah, most of the people take the target at this particular position, because this level has to be rechecked. Even if market wants to come down, this level is already on the cards. Yeah, you can see this is what it is happening now. Let's see. And now the people have started booking the profits here. Welcome back, traders. You can see market is completely silent now. It's completely in a range, and it's getting this kind of formation here. You have a top range, you have a bottom range. These are the two ranges that market is respecting at this particular point in time, and the market is getting into a triangle formation here. See, all these kind of formations are very good, but provided you're not inside the formation, because you never know what it's going to do. But I already prepared a put position below. It's 39,200 put, which is at the money put. Right now market is trading at 39,142. I've taken an inside the money put, and I'm expecting if the market pulls down below this level one time, there would be a momentum till this level, meaning 39,000 level. You might see a 100 point fall into this. I'm just waiting if there is a pullback upside. I need a pullback upside, and then a fake breakout, and then the market starts pulling down. That's when I'll start initiating this particular trade. I've prepared my trade. I've not placed it as of now. I'm just expecting a market pull up, meaning a little more time is still pending. There's a gap filling to be filled into this particular thing, and maybe it'll take another 2-3 minutes to create, maybe another 5-10 minutes to create this level. I don't know. Generally it creates till the last minute. So this is the key level. If this level breaks, and my trade is below this level, exactly below this level is my trade. If this level breaks, then you can definitely see a 100 point downside move connected to it. Let's see if things are working. I will initiate this particular trade, just to give you a quick update on what is my view currently. Currently, it's in a complete sideways momentum, and market is slowing down. You cannot have a prediction even when there is a formation of pattern like this. Probably you'll have to wait till the market breaks away from the formation, and then you will definitely know what it is. Let's see. For me, a fake breakout would confirm me that market would push down. A fake breakdown would be kind of triggering all the stop losses here, or making a fresh entries of buyers at this level. So what happens is, if the market doesn't have enough buyers or sellers, that's when the formation starts kicking in. If you need buyers basically to sell your product, or you need sellers to buy your product, so basically that's a combination of buyers and sellers are into the market. So when there are not enough buyers, it'll do, it'll create a fake sell option. So the sellers walk in, and they'll immediately move upside. So all the sellers will become a buyer. On the contrary, if they need more sellers, what they do is, like, they will create a buying position. They'll look like they will create a buying position, and it will create a fake upside. So all the buyers, after waiting for so long, there will be some impatient buyers. They would be waiting for somebody would have even entered at this position. Some entered here, some waiting for a breakout. The minute they find one breakout, they would have entered it. So what happens is, those are the enters, meaning those are the buyers who are potential sellers into the market. In the sense, the minute when the market reverses, then those people who have become a buyers will become a sellers now. So that's how the market will create its sellers and buyers when they don't have enough buyers and sellers at one particular level. That's when the formation happens. So let's see how it is working. You've got another 48 seconds to finish this 3 minute candle. See, still it's not breaking this level. It's still holding that particular point. See, even if we miss a trade, it's not a problem. But we don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade. So I'm just waiting, patiently, because we already had a decent profit in the morning. At least 50-60% of our target for a daily, which we have planned from February. What we're planning to do is we are trying to keep a target of about 20,000 rupees. But we're not increasing the lot sizes. Yeah, we're still trading with only 10 lots. So if things are working out, then we'll see how it is. We'll try to get at least a 100-point gain. That's the target for us. So we already have roughly about say 40, 45, 48. You can see the market is making a move upside. Yeah. Now if there is a fake, then this is coming down for sure. Now if this is a fake, then I will change this to even 18, and I will change this to 17. My trigger would be 17. See, now you can see the market has actually broken away from this pattern. Let's wait for the finish of this candle and see how things are working out. See, generally, if this is a fake traders, it should pull back down faster. So this breakout is looks like a genuine breakout. Generally, what happens is when there is a fake breakout situation, what it does is market creates the buyers, and then it's the very next candle, it just pulls the market down, which means it's trying to push all the buyers who are entering into the market, and those people, when they start trading below this candle, all the people who are buyers would become sellers at that particular point in time. So that's how the market is generally is generally operating, and that's how the market works. So we need to understand the logic behind the market momentum. So currently our orders are still not, I've not placed the orders. So I'm still holding, buying up at this level. For me, unless and otherwise I find one more swing, I know I need a proper swing here. I need a proper swing like this. Traders, I need a proper swing, and then come back and retest, and then I should see a entry candle which goes up. Then I will be interested. I won't be interested to just take an entry here. I want to pull back down here and then take an upside momentum. So currently it's not, I'm not interested to take for the upside here. Let's see. Traders, we have already entered into a trade now. It is 39,000 CE. Currently, this is the problem with 5 paisa, because you will not get a proper, yeah, it's currently in 2100 profit levels. So we are planning to exit at this level. Yep, exited the trade. It was a quick scalping because it's already market has moved up so much, so we didn't want to take much of the risk. So it's like close to 16,000 is our profit right now. It was a quick scalping trade. Traders just want to have, like, just patiently waiting for a proper pullback down, but it didn't happen because I was waiting for a pullback down here, and it didn't happen. So we just took a quick scalping trade. Market will definitely head up. Like, let's see. Like, I'm not taking huge risk at this point in time, because market did not come the way that I was expecting. Like, I was expecting a pullback here and then a market momentum on the upside. Yeah, currently I think we exited at 409, and the market is already at a much higher position right now. It's okay. It's fairly a good trade, not a bad trade for us. We'll keep you updated, traders. See, and this is the reason actually I got a little upset on the this thing. See, the problem is, like, I was expecting a proper pullback, and but this was like, immediately falling. It was not giving a proper pullback, and that's the reason I immediately scalped. I just exited the scalp immediately. But if this pullback is coming all the way here, and if I'm getting an entry here, then you can definitely hold on to the trade. But this one is very difficult to hold. So it's always like, yes, there is a smallest of smallest pullback which was happening. So if we immediately, like, we thought we will enter and then we exit immediately. So it is just a, stop loss hunting what it did, and then that's where we just thought we'll exit onto the trade. And lucky that, we had a quick 5,000 rupees profit into it. Like, it's as of now, like, it's okay. Market can pull back from this level. This will now serve as a key level into the market now, because see, now this will be the key level. Market doesn't go at one straight level, traders. It just like takes, swings to go up and go down. Now, technically it formed a swing, high here, and then it formed a low, and then exactly in this level we entered into the market here. We entered into the market. We know that this level, if this is going to break, it can have a quick momentum. We just exited when immediately when it started breaking this level, we exited the trade, and then it just like went another 10 points up, and then it's shifting the position here. Let's see, traders. The now the selling is like a little aggressive. You can see the market went up like very slow. It was inching upside, but when it is coming down, the market is coming down very fast. We'll have to see how this level is getting respected into the market. If this level gives up, then the market has a potential to come down all the way to 38,900 levels. Let's see if there is any good trade. We will definitely update you, traders. Welcome back, traders. We can see there is a momentum failure in the upside. See, after the level is broken upside, you can see the market's momentum is fading up. Let me just draw this clean for you. this is little extravaganza momentum on the downside. So you can see after breakout level, you can see this is the trend line support and this is the horizontal support, and there is one more horizontal support at this level. This is where the market formed a triangle pattern and started breaking this level. Now we are just preparing for a put side. It is 39,200, and the minute this level is getting broken, and then we will be entering into the trade. This is the plan currently. Let's see how it is working. Need a pullback, break and pull back again. There is a quick momentum expected from this level just by looking at the candle formation here. It can be a trap as well, we never know. We need to be careful. We just will wait for a first candle to break this, then I would see if how the candle is going, and then we will take an entry based on that. We don't want to be like too early into the trade or too late into the trade as well. So I need some kind of, yeah, you can see there is a momentum down. I need a little pullback into it. 270. I need a red candle here. Actually, I'm watching another screen, so probably you won't know what I'm actually talking here. So this is what I was saying. I need one more green candle here for me to take a trade into it. Now this is officially broken. The trend line is officially broken here. I'm just looking for a retest level. Finished.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, traders, we are entering into the trade here. We've already placed the order. You can see the order is kept pending. The order is kept is 39,200 put, 10 lots, the regular size what we take. And as expected, there is a pullback into it, and then we are taking the trade after this kind of pullback. So this is the pullback which I was expecting. Traders, you can see that it is at the key level. Now you can feel that there's a sudden pullback into the system. So that's the reason we were waiting for this pullback to happen, and then we take a trade. Because before that, if you take a trade, you'll be like really scared, because you never know like what it is going to happen. Is it going to again push down? Is it going to again go upside, or is it going to sideways? So we will that's the reason we have placed the trade. Once the pullback is finished, then we have placed the order here. So if the order position is still at not being taken up, you can see the order is still in pending order. This video then. Traders again, like if we can take in one small trade, because I think we took the trade and then we had a 5 point loss before, because market, you can see, it was completely volatile. We took a trade here and then it just took the trade, and it didn't have the follow through, and then we exited with a minimal stop loss, with a 5 point or 6 point stop loss. So it was 270 we entered, we exited at 263. It was 8 points of loss we had. And again, now we again took a trade at 265, we exited at 275. So we covered that loss, and then we made like 1,100 rupees profit. So we are closing for the day. It's like 17,100. It's okay, because market is completely volatile. It's not moving either side, upside or downside. You can see this is a market, like I'll show you a 5 minute candle. See this zone here, completely no movement in this market here. It was a fight between buyers and sellers. Ultimately, the retailers, if with the smaller capital, will be affected. The big guys are okay. They can sustain. They can hold the trade. They can again pump in some money after some time. But retailers, with smaller capitals, will be the scapegoats in this. So let's see. We are not planning to take any more trades now. It's already like 2 o'clock, and we'll hope to see you tomorrow. Please subscribe the channel, and please give a comment on the video. And the people who are watching for the first time, please subscribe. The people who have already subscribed, please give a comment. And thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful trading days ahead.